In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a GitHub project and run it using various frameworks without requiring Git. Let's dive in with clear, straightforward steps to help you get your project up and running efficiently. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the GitHub repository of the project you wish to download. You'll typically find a range of files, and on the right-hand side of the page, there's a green button labeled Code. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. Among the options, you'll see Download Zip. Click it, and your browser will begin downloading a zip file of the entire repository directly to your computer. This zip file is essentially an archive of the project, neatly packaged and ready for you to extract and explore. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Right-click on it and select Extract All, or similar, depending on your operating system. Choose a destination folder where you'd like the project's files to be unpacked. Once extracted, you'll have a folder containing all the files and directories as they were on GitHub. For editing and running the project, Visual Studio Code is a popular choice. You have two options here. If you're comfortable with command line operations, navigate in your terminal to the folder where you extracted the project. Once there, type code and press enter. This command will open the directory in Visual Studio Code promptly. If you prefer a more graphical approach, you can simply open Visual Studio Code, click on File in the top menu, and select Open Folder. Navigate to and select your extracted project folder to start working with the files inside. Now that you have your project open in Visual Studio Code, it's time to run it. Depending on the type of project, the commands can vary. Let's cover some of the most common scenarios. If your project is Node.js or React-based, open a terminal within Visual Studio Code and run npm install. This will install all necessary dependencies. After that, if it's a front-end React project, run npm rundev to start the development server. For a Node.js backend, use npm start instead. Should your project involve Python, look for a requirements.txt file. Open the terminal and execute pip install our requirements.txt to install the dependencies. After the installation, to kick off the application, type pythonapp.py and press enter. In case you're dealing with a fast API application, you'll typically execute uvcorn main@app. Reload from the terminal in Visual Studio Code. This command helps in launching your fast API application with automatic reloading of code changes. Lastly, if your project is built with Streamlit, launch it by typing streamlit runapp.py into the terminal. This command starts the Streamlit application, often opening in your default web browser. By following these steps, you'll find downloading and running projects from GitHub surprisingly intuitive, even without using Git. With practice, you'll become even more proficient at leveraging these tools in your development flow.